First, familiarize yourself. Look at the detailed computer-generated installation plan to see where all elements should be positioned. Mark the position of the thermostat approximately 1.5 meters above the subfloor, protected from direct sunlight and drafts. Drill a 65mm hole in the wall to mount a standard wall socket for the thermostat. Drill 2 holes under the thermostat as close as possible to the concrete subfloor. For concrete walls, use a circular saw to chase a channel into the wall and then remove the concrete in between with a chisel to run the conduits through it. Clean the subfloor with a vacuum cleaner. Make sure every piece of dust is gone. Carefully attach an elastic joint or seal to the wall around the heated area to protect vertical building components. This will also serve as an expansion joint. Also plan for joints between separately operated heating circuits and adjoining unheated areas. Run the conduits through the wall socket and mount it in the wall. Start laying the Isolecta plates. T2Blue can also be installed directly on the concrete subfloor without the use of Isolecta plates. Drill 8 holes through the board into the subfloor, 2 in the center and 6 on the edges to give an optimal fixation. Fix the board with the Isolecta fixing pins. At the opposite wall, cut the board to the right length with a knife. Continue laying the Isolecta plates until the entire surface is covered. Make sure the joints are staggered with a minimum of 15 centimeters and the plates don't bridge any expansion joints. Perform an insulation resistance test with a minimum test voltage of 500 volts. We recommend a test voltage of 2500 volts. The result should be greater than 100 mega ohm. Fill in the test result on the commissioning form. Measure the heating cable resistance. Compare the measured value with the prescribed value in the reference table. Attach a net band onto the joints to prevent future tensions on the upper layers. Mark the heating cable runs on the Isolecta plates. Slide the floor sensor through the conduit. Don't forget to install the end cap. Glue the conduit to an Isolecta plate between two cable runs. Now install the heating cable at the thermostat. Slide one end of the heating cable through the vertical conduit towards the thermostat. Glue the heating cable on the Isolecta plates. Keep a distance of 50 mm from the wall and a minimum distance of 50 mm between two cable runs. Continue installing the heating cable till the end. Perform another insulation resistance test with a minimum test voltage of 500 VDC. We recommend a test voltage of 2500 VDC. The result should be greater than 100 mega ohm. Record the test result on the commissioning form. Measure the heating cable resistance and compare the measured value with the reference table.